Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete Google Play Store history, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Google Play Store history, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and kind of interface will appear where at the bottom side you can see the personalization in play option available for us. Tap on the personalization in play option over here, and when this appears or this menu appears, scroll down a little bit and you can see the play story option available for us just below the data saved by play. Tap on play story and you can see, guys, all of your Google Play Store history, all the apps will be over here, whatever you did on the Google Play Store. Now in order to delete your Play Store history, guys, tap on the delete button over here and you can see you can delete a custom range, either delete today or delete all time depending upon your deletion period which you wish. Tap on it and that will be deleted like this. You can see 1 day deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete Google Play Store history. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.